Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and safe. Okay, in the previous lecture, we have learned and completed all activities of lesson 2.3 connecting the dots. Okay, now see on page number 69, there is a poem, small poem it is also, The Pulley. Okay, so what is the pulley? Pulley is the object or thing that pulls you back. Okay, the thing or object that pulls you back. So what is the thing or which thing that pulls you back? We will learn in the poem. Okay, before that, see on page number 69. Page number 69, warming up activity is there. Go through the following images and try to link them with our lives. For example, storm, hardships that we face in our life. So there are some pictures and you have to match, we have to match the pictures with the qualities given beside the pictures. Okay, so first one is a picture of, I think, bird or owl, wisdom. Okay, bird, owl or wisdom. Then second one, rose. Rose is determination. Rose matches with determination. Then tree matches with life. Then fourth, storm. Storm matches with strength, you can say. Okay, strength. Then fifth, rose you can match with beauty. Rose with beauty. Okay. Then water with sorrowful movement. Okay, so rest of the part do at your home. So page number 69 is completed. Now on page number 70, you may have often indulged in talking to yourself audibly. For example, oh dear, why didn't I get up sooner? Let me finish this quickly and then I will be free. How silly of me, why didn't I think of it before? Such expressions are called dramatic monologues. These expressions are called dramatic monologue. Okay, imagine and write monologues suitable in the following situation. It is your birthday next week. Oh, is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? You have been waiting long since at the city bus stop. Have you been waiting? Have you been waiting for me for a long time? इस प्रकार के expressions आप बना सकते हो. Okay, so see on page number 71, the pulley. The pulley is actually a metaphysical poem. Okay, the pulley is actually tells us about the object or thing, or you can say here the emotion, the feeling that God has made pulley for human being. God has made man this pulley. Okay, God has made this pulley for human being, for man, the quality or the feeling which works like pulley for human being. The quality which is created or the feeling which is created by God that works as a pulley. And this pulley is the feeling of restlessness. What is the pulley? Pulley is the feeling of restlessness. Restlessness. Human being or man is always restless. Okay? He does not take rest. He is always in search of something. The man is not satisfied. He is always unsatisfied. He is restless. He is restless, so he works for. He is unsatisfied, so he works ahead. So he works for. If he is not satisfied, if he is not restless, he will not work to get something. He will not work to achieve something. Okay? So restless is the pulley. Restlessness feeling is the pulley which is created by God for human being, and the poet tells us about this quality, this feeling, restlessness, that is pulley created by God. Okay, Page number 71. First one is the introduction of the poet George Herbert. George Herbert, 1593-1633, was a Welsh poet. Okay, Welsh is the name of community. He was Welsh poet. He was a priest by profession. George Herbert was actually priest. Priest को क्या बोलते हैं? धर्मगुरु, religious person. तो वो प्रोफेशन से कौन थे? धर्मगुरु थे. He wrote religious poems with a lot of imagery and concepts. Okay, the poem exhibits a strange but a two-way relationship between God and his worshippers. God and his worshippers. Though he has showered or bestowed his worshipper with all his blessings, somewhere God holds them up with a pulley drawn to be grateful to him in all our endeavor. Okay, all our endeavor means all our task. So God has showered, God has given all his blessings to human being. This is the fact. But somewhere God has hold these blessings with a pulley drawn. Means he has not showered all blessings. Some blessing or some part he has hold up like a pulley. Okay, that the man, why? So that the man would be grateful to him. The man would be grateful to God in all endeavor, in all works, in all behavior, in all tasks. God gives so many precious gifts to the devotee. Devotee means worshipper. जो भगवान की पूजा करते हैं, जो भगवान को मानते हैं, उसे हम devotee कहते हैं, भक्त कहते हैं. So God gives so many precious gifts to bhakt, to worshipper, but at the same time God also expects something in return. हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि गॉड कुछ एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते, गॉड हमसे कुछ नहीं चाहते, बट द पोएट टेल्स अस दैट गॉड आल्सो एक्सपेक्ट्स समथिंग फ्रॉम ह्यूमन बीइंग इन रिटर्न. व्हाट डज ही एक्सपेक्ट? What does God expects from man in return? Why does he withhold? Why does he withhold some blessings? Why does he withhold blessings? The pulley shows how God gives man towards himself with the pulley of restlessness. The pulley of restlessness. Okay. So the God has gifted man towards himself. Not gifted. God has lifted man towards himself with the pulley of restlessness. What is distinctly metaphysical about the poem is that a religious notion is conveyed through a secular scientific image. So what is metaphysical? Okay, what is ironic about this poem? That religious notion means feeling. Religious notion is conveyed, is expressed through a secular scientific image. The poet has expressed religious notion, religious feeling with scientific image. Okay, so let's see what is the poem. Page number 71, first stanza. When God at first made man, having a glass of blessings standing by, let us, said he, pour on him all we can. Let the world's riches which disperse lie contract into a span. When God first made man, you know that God created man. So when at first God created man, he was having a glass of blessings. He had blessings. Okay, he was having a lot of blessings. He was having glass of blessings standing by. So when he was having blessings, let us, he said, He said to man, or he said, God said, let us pour on man. Let us pour means let us shower. Means he should shower, God should shower all the blessings the God can, the God could. मतलब उसके पास जितनी ब्लेसिंग्स है, गॉड के पास ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए, मैन के लिए जितनी ब्लेसिंग्स है उसे शॉवर करना चाहिए मैन पे, उसे ऑफर करना चाहिए ह्यूमन बीइंग को। मतलब जितनी ब्लेसिंग्स गॉड की है, गॉड को, ह्यूमन बीइंग को या मैन को वो सभी ब्लेसिंग्स देनी चाहिए। लेट द वर्ल्ड रीचेस, रीचेस मींस वेल्थ, बाउंटीज, लेट द वर्ल्ड बिकेम वेल्दी, लेट द वर्ल्ड गेट सो मच ऑफ वेल्थ। मतलब ब्लेसिंग्स दे के दुनिया को एक वेल्दी वर्ल्ड होने दो, दुनिया को वेल्दी रिच वर्ल्ड होने दो। Which dispersed lie, dispersed means scattered, which scattered lie contract into span, contract, collect together, or and span means small space. Okay, means the world should become rich, or world should get bounty of wealth which is scattered. The world is scattered, the world is scattered, and they will collect all the wealth in small space. मतलब दुनिया की स्पेस बहुत छोटी है, और दुनिया की स्पेस छोटी है तो दुनिया को सभी ब्लेसिंग्स अगर मिलती है, if the world get all blessings from God, the world will become rich, the world will become wealthy. Okay, and world is having small space, and they will collect all wealth given by God, like nature, river, sea. Okay, all these are wealths given by God. They will collect, the world will collect into span, means into small space. All these things आप कोई भी ले लो, नेचर है, नेचर में रिवर, सी, फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट्स, okay, all these are the blessings from God, and you can say these things are wealth for us. ये हमारी संपत्ति है. Okay, so God spread all his blessings which is collected by the world into small space, into small span. Okay, first stanza is completed. Second stanza. So strength first made it way, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. When almost was out, God made a stay, perceiving that alone of all his treasures rest in the bottom lake. Okay, so God decided to shower all blessings. Okay, so at first God gave strength to the man. Okay, first wealth God gave to the man, that was strength, means power. That was the first gift from the God. Then beauty flowed. Okay, after strength God gave man beauty as a second gift. फर्स्ट गिफ्ट दिया ह्यूमन बीइंग को स्ट्रेंथ मतलब पावर, ताकत. दूसरा गिफ्ट दिया ब्यूटी, ब्यूटी फ्लोड बाय गॉड. थर्ड देन विजडम. ओके, विजडम मींस नॉलेज. You can say liberty also, but wisdom means knowledge. Third gift was knowledge given by God. Honor, honor means respect, you can say, and pleasure, pleasure means happiness. So one by one, God bestow, God, you can say, God bestow, God showered all these qualities like strength, beauty, wisdom, honor, pleasure to the human being. एक के बाद एक ये सभी गिफ्ट्स, इस सभी क्वालिटीज को गॉड ने ह्यूमन बीइंग को दे दिया. When almost all was out, when all blessings were given by God, God made a stay. God made a stay means God stopped that moment. God stopped at that moment. He stopped showering blessings at that moment. perceiving that alone of all his treasures. Perceiving, what is the meaning of perceiving given there? Noticing, becoming conscious of. God noticed that the man was becoming conscious of all his treasures. Okay, God showered all his treasures. Okay, but God decided to stop, and at the bottom, he decided to he decided to keep some blessings, or you can say some gifts at the bottom of the glass. Means he decided to stop the showering of all blessings. Okay, he decided to rest in the bottom layer. Okay, so second stanza is completed now, and rest of the part we will learn in the next lecture. We are on page number 71. Okay, thank you.